In the heart of the vibrant island of Jamaica, where the sun kissed the mountains and the sea sang to the shore, there lived a beautiful princess named Alison. Her beauty was not just in her radiant smile or the way her long, flowing hair danced like the waves in the gentle breeze. It was in her spirit, which sparkled like the shimmering waters of the Caribbean. Princess Alison was not just adored for her beauty, she was enchanted. Rumors spread that she could communicate with nature. The birds would sing melodies just for her, and the flowers bloomed brighter when she walked by. But more than all of this, she had a gift, the rare ability to heal. Whenever anyone in her kingdom fell ill or was in pain, they would come to her, and with a touch of her delicate hand and a whisper of her soothing words, she would mend their ailments. One day, a dark cloud loomed over the kingdom. A fearsome sorceress, jealous of Alison's beauty and power, arrived with a storm of shadows trailing behind her. She cast a wicked spell, declaring that the island would be cursed, and all joy would be stripped away unless the princess gave up her enchanted gifts. With despair, Alison ventured deep into the enchanted Blue Mountains, seeking the ancient spirits for guidance. As she climbed through the thick emerald forest, she stumbled upon a hidden waterfall, its waters sparkling under the midday sun. Here, she met a wise old spirit in the form of an ageless woman, cloaked in vines and adorned with flowers. "Princess," the spirit said, her voice like the tinkling of wind chimes, "true strength comes from your kindness. You must gather the hearts of your people, for their love will break the curse." With renewed determination, Alison returned to her kingdom. She hosted a grand feast, inviting everyone, the rich, the poor, the young, and the old. As laughter filled the air and music pulsated through the night, the spirit of unity awakened in the hearts of her people. When dawn broke, the sky shimmered with a golden hue, and the sorceress, witnessing the joy and harmony, confronted the princess in a fury. But Alison stood tall, her heart radiating warmth. "You may have tried to cast a shadow, but the light of love is far stronger." In that moment, the love shared among the people surged like a wave, enveloping the sorceress and breaking her dark spell. She transformed, her heart softened, and in an act of redemption, she joined in the celebrations, embracing the joy she once sought to extinguish. From that day onward, Alison was not just a princess but a symbol of love's triumph over darkness. The kingdom thrived, vibrant and colorful, forever basking in the light of unity. And as for Princess Alison, her enchanted beauty shone even brighter, for she had learned that the true magic resided in the hearts of those around her.